let's try nostalgic snacks. Fruit roll-up. Okay, this used to be my go-to snack in elementary school. Is this supposed to be healthy? It's a whole bunch of sugar. I don't see any fruit in here. I don't know, sometimes I used to have this for lunch. Crazy how when we were kids, we used to think that some things were just sufficient for lunch, like a bag of Doritos. 8.4 out of 10. Twinkies. So I remember years ago hearing a story about how somebody kept a Twinkie for so many years. It's basically a soft cake with a cream filling. It's so simple. It's a really plain cake with some sweet filling. 7.8 out of 10. Hostess cupcakes. Now there are so many companies that made stuff like this, and I think Joe's Louis falls under the same category. I would say this is like an upgraded version of a Twinkie. It's a nice chocolate cake, a bit of a chocolate ganache, I don't know what you call that shiny stuff on top, and then it got some of that vanilla icing, and it's also filled with some sort of cream. 8.6 out of 10. Cosmic brownies? Well, it used to be called cosmic brownies. I don't know if they even sell those anymore, but I remember seeing those rectangle brownies with the sprinkles on top. This is called galactic brownies. Oh, this is not looking like cosmic brownies. This is not nostalgic at all. It's not really a brownie, it's more of a cake. I remember cosmic brownies being really tough and hard, and they were individually plastic wrapped, but yeah, this is not the same. I don't know, I just feel that some snacks back in the day were so unhealthy, and they were just jam-packed with so much processed stuff and sugar, and they couldn't make it through the healthy trend, so they just went bankrupt. I think that's what happened to cosmic brownies. RIP. 6.4 out of 10.